Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a super long time. Oh my gosh, I have missed doing nails and uploading so much. I've missed you guys so much. I just want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family, and to all of my OG subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back in. Hope you enjoy the video. So let's get started. This is a set that I whipped up on my little sister. It's just a simple foil, pink foil tips set. We had no idea what we wanted to do. We knew that we wanted to do something super cute for you guys, but we just couldn't come up with anything, so I literally just came up with this on the fly. She already has her tips applied and a thin layer of clear acrylic. I'm using an alpha brush. This is number 12. The link will be in the description box, as well as a discount code. My code is FEMI10 for 10% off. And her tips are already shaped up and at her desired length. If you want to see more about my shaping and filing and all of that good stuff, I will have a link at the very top right. The little eye, just click that and it will take you to that video. I have a full routine and I haven't really changed any of that process, so you can check that out. Everything I use will be in the description box as well if you're curious. This pink acrylic that I'm putting on my sister right now is a self-made, self-mixed, kind of like a sheer pink nude, and I'm just putting that on to cover where her tips are so we can have a really flawless looking design. I'm just doing this to all 10 nails. After this step, I'm going to encapsulate the nails with clear acrylic. I didn't expect to be away from my channel for so long. I initially was taking a vacation, and then some life changes happened and I had to take a little bit more time off of doing nails, and I haven't done an acrylic full set in 3 months, and it's so crazy how like I got rusty. Like I felt myself kind of like struggling, I guess. And I took a super long time to do these nails, so it just goes to show that practicing every day really makes a huge difference, because I used to do nails like almost every day, a couple times a week, and I felt like I was, you know, I had a really good speed for the designs I was doing, and I don't know, I just feel like I was a little bit better then than I am now. And yeah, it just goes to show that practice literally makes perfect. So if you feel like you're struggling, don't let it get to you. You can definitely do your best. Just keep at it and give it your all, and you'll see the results. Just, you know, try to practice multiple times a week and really make it your goal to improve anything you think you're lacking in. I hope that's encouraging or helpful. I just feel truly blessed to have this platform and to be able to share and inspire or whatever. Like I never ever expected my channel to grow this big. It kind of freaks me out sometimes. Like I'll watch some of my favorite YouTubers and they almost have the same subscriber count as me, and I'm just like, how did this happen? Like, how do people actually care about what I'm doing? But I'm so super grateful and thankful. So yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Super appreciate it. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. YouTube is really crazy lately. The algorithm is all over the place. I feel like a lot of my subs don't get notified. So if you want to be notified, make sure you hit the bell. So this is after filing, shaping, and buffing, and I'm just putting on this foil adhesive glue, and you want to apply this as smoothly as possible and thin so that it can dry pretty quick. I just applied this all over her tips, and I told her to blow on her nails so that it can dry within a reasonable amount of time. After the glue has gone completely clear, and you want to wait till it's completely clear, just trust me on that, then I'm just pressing this into the glue and pulling it away. I noticed when you rub on the foil and then pull it off, it makes like a bigger foil chunk, but if you just like tap it on, it kind of gives you this distressed like foil line look. I don't know how to really explain it. And after that's done, you can just go straight into top coat. I'm gonna top coat with IBD Intense Seal, my tried and true. And I'm top coating underneath the nail tip so that it can be really clear and glassy. After that, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds in this lamp. I received this lamp before I went on my hiatus, and I've been trying it out, and I really like it. It has a removable bottom. It's the Macart, I'm not sure how to pronounce this exactly, UV and LED lamp. It has a digital screen as well as, it feels like a digital touch button. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not a button that you press. It's kind of like, if it just like feels your finger there and it knows you pressed it. But it has a 30 seconds, 60 seconds, low heat mode for 99 seconds, and a power button, and it is motion sensor, so when you put your hand in, it turns on, and it has a removable bottom for when you're doing feet, and I really enjoy it. I haven't had any issues with curing. It seems to have a really strong cure. And here I'm applying some really cute stones. After top coating, I etch the surface so that my glue and acrylic has something to grab onto, because sometimes the top coat by itself can be a little bit too shiny. The link will be in the description of where I got all of my charms. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you guys where I got the bow. I had a client bring me those one day and she bought them somewhere in person, but I'm sure that's something you could find on eBay or something like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really missed you guys. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe once again. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Time ticks and decays, never to return, never to feel whole. Isn't it so easy to lose yourself in time, to draw a finish line, to give yourself to one beyond what's good and bad? It kills me not to know